Maraming salamat, Sandy. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. We are very proud and excited to welcome you to the press conference for Virgin Labfest 20 Hinod. Although this is only my second time to be part of this very important festival. In other words, hindi na ako virgin. Before I continue, I just want to know that this is one of the most important programs of the CCP. That's why I'm here together with Trustee Monina Duque and Trustee Junie Del Mundo. We're here to show our support for this very important festival, even though we are actually supposed to be in our board meeting now. But we cannot miss it because this is too important. 20th year is a milestone that not only marks 2 decades of bold, brave, and boundary-pushing theater plays, but also signals a cultural coming of age. 20 years ago, Virgin Labfest began as a haven for untried, untested, and unstaged plays, and as an incubator for amateur and emerging playwrights. Today, we celebrate how far Virgin Labfest has come, not just in number of productions, but in the lives we've changed, the voices we've amplified, and the conversations we've shaped. Hinod, therefore, is the perfect theme for this year, a testament to the ripening of our creative spirit. As we enter this new chapter, the Cultural Center of the Philippines, together with Tanghalang Pilipino and the Writers' Block, remains committed to supporting artists and storytellers whose work on stage reflect the ever-vibrant Filipino experience. The Virgin Labfest continues to be a vital part of that mission, as it always reminds us that the essence of theater is not just entertainment, but expression, call for action, and community building. Here at Tanghalang Ignacio Jimenez, we once again gather and shine the spotlight to 12 new plays and 3 revisited plays. From the Greek word theatron, which means a place of seeing. In this theater, we will truly see the heart of the human experience for 3 inspiring weeks in June. To our playwrights, directors, actors, and collaborators, thank you for your courage and your creativity. To our audience and the press, thank you for believing in the transformative power of original Filipino theater. Here's to 20 years of the Virgin Labfest and to the next 20 that will surely challenge, move, and inspire all of us. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Teatrong Pilipino.